Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Pinterest account public. First, open the Pinterest app or website and log into your account. Next, locate your profile icon, usually in the bottom right or top right corner, and tap or click it. From your profile, find the three dots or gear icon to access your settings. Once in Settings, look for the Privacy and Data option. Within the Privacy and Data section, you'll see an option labeled Profile Visibility. This is where you control who can see your pins and boards. To make your account public, simply toggle the switch next to this option to the On position. Pinterest will usually prompt you to confirm this change. Make sure to save your settings to ensure your profile is now visible to everyone. Now that your profile is public, let's optimize it. A clear profile picture and a brief, engaging bio help others understand your interests. Organize your boards with descriptive titles so people can easily find what they are looking for. Also, use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions to improve discoverability. This helps your content reach a wider audience and attract more followers. With your profile public and optimized, it's time to share it. Copy your profile link and share it on other social media platforms or with friends. Engage with other users by liking, commenting, and repinning their content to build a community. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals, so you can discover new ways to enjoy content anywhere. Happy pinning!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.